Yo guys, what's up? Here I am at crypto.com. First thing I want to cover, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at 41,841, almost at 42. We've been in quite a bit of a range here recently, between 38 and 42. When are we going to break out of that range? Hard to say, hopefully soon. Same thing with Crow, between 38 cents and 42 cents. Wow, kind of mirrors Bitcoin, right? So, yeah, we'll see how that goes. But here is the big disappointment. Single. Now, when I first swapped into single, it was worth about 20 cents a piece. And I had about $120 worth of single. But now, the price has been deflated. Why? Because they keep adding single to the system. Now, let's go over to VVS Finance and let me show you why. So, first of all, we go over to VVS Finance, the DApp, attached to here on the DeFi wallet. And we're going to take a look into the mines. Now, if you guys have been following my channel, you know I have some VVS in the mine here. And, oh wait, where is the single mine? So this is single EP2. There was an EP1, and it's over here in the other tab, says finished. Now, in order to get this back, I have to remove and unstake everything. So here we go. I'm going to confirm the unstaking, and it costs 0.6 Crow to get my money back. Now, this is kind of a losing proposition for me because I didn't make that much. I made almost 10 single, and if the price had sustained at 20 cents, I would have made $2, and I would have been probably around break even. Oh wow, network is congested. That's great. So, while I could not even unstake after I paid my Crow, it's going to make me pay again. Now this I have a real complaint with at crypto.com and here at VVS Finance. They make you pay multiple times to unstake your own money, and that ain't right. Not cool, dudes. So this is the second time. Oh, geez. Okay, now, see? Number two. That's the second time. So, one more time. 3 strikes and you guys are out. I am never coming back to this app again to stake money. This is just totally ridiculous that I can't even get my own money out. It's not a lot of money. I know it's not a huge load on the network right now. This is totally unacceptable for VVS Finance. Sorry guys. Finally. It finally harvested to my wallet. Okay, about frickin' time. Sorry. Alright, anyway. If we go back to the live mines, we'll see that we have some here. And I am not going to make the mistake again mining for single, because yet again it is limited to 27 days, 13 hours, 3 minutes. So this thing just opened. It was limited to 30 days, and I just don't have enough to justify opening this mine. The amount it's going to cost to open it, stake it, and then eventually unstake it and get my money back. As you saw before, I might get 10 single out of it. I could put more in, but as you guys know, let's go back to my dashboard. I've put $1,000 into this place, and my current balance, $371. That's pathetic. Okay, so I've been cut more than in half. I've been cut down by 2/3. So, not very happy with VVS Finance right now. Same thing with Bitcoin or Crow. They've been cut in half, more or less. but this one's been cut even more so. So I'm not super happy with it. Tell me what you guys think. You guys happy with VVS? Because I'm not. I'm going to be looking at another DApp here in the ecosystem, and it's called VVS Finance. Now, if you guys want to see more of that, leave a comment below. Or the other one I was looking at is Optimizer. All right. So those are the two that I'm going to try next. Anyway, be sure to subscribe for more upcoming DApp reviews and how-tos. Thanks for watching.